Dear students, in my previous video I have defined the functional group with various examples. In this video we will study about the various functional groups which are the derivative of hydrocarbon and used in organic chemistry. So first we will start with an alcohol. These are also called as alkanol. So we first little know about what are alcohols and how we can identify these compounds from the rest of the derivative of the hydrocarbon. So in definition, when an alkyl group an alkyl group a hydroxyl group is directly attached. Hydroxyl group is attached directly, then we can say that these compounds are an alcohol or alkanol. If we take the example, as we know that the alkyl group are generally denoted by R, capital R, and the hydroxyl group is denoted by OH. So their general formula will be ROH. If we take the example of R as 3 carbon or alkyl group as member of an alkyl group, let us take CH3. Talk about its naming, how we can name an alcohol. Now we want to know how these alcohol are named. First, the parent alkane. If we look at the parent alkane, it is 3-member carbon atom, so this is named as propane. And to give an alcohol its name, so the ending E is replaced with the word OL. So E will be replaced by OL, so its name will be propanol. A 3-carbon alkyl group, when containing an hydroxyl group, its name will be propanol. Let us take another example of 4-carbon atom. If there is a molecule which is CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2OH. It is a 4-carbon. The 4-carbon, its parent name is butane, so it will be butanol. Similarly, if we take the 2-carbon atom alcohol CH3, CH2OH, it is derived from ethane, so its name will be ethanol. So this is about the naming of an alcohol. The alcohols are usually of 3 types. If the first is primary alcohol and OH, example of ethanol, as to this carbon hydroxyl group is attached, and to this carbon there is only 1 carbon attached, then it is called as an primary alcohol. So if there is only 1 carbon attached to the carbon atom which contain hydroxyl group, it is called as an primary alcohol. And second is secondary alcohol. If the carbon which contain hydroxyl group or to which hydroxyl group is attached, to it there are 2 more carbon are attached. For example, let us take an example CH3, CH3 and OH. If we look at that carbon atom, then to this carbon atom there are 2 carbon attached, 1 and true, then it is called as an secondary alcohol. So we can say that if a carbon atom to which a hydroxyl group is directly attached, there are two other carbon are attached to that carbon, then it is called as an secondary alcohol. The third is tertiary alcohol. If a carbon atom that is directly attached to a hydroxyl group and it is furthermore attached to three more carbon atoms, it is further attached to three more carbon atoms, then we can say that it is a tertiary alcohol. If we take this carbon as directly attached to hydroxyl group and it is also attached to three more carbon atoms, so the such type of an alcohol is called as a tertiary alcohol. Our study about is the carbonyl group. It is simply when a carbon atom is bonded to an oxygen through a double bond, it is known as a carbonyl group. The carbonyl group is further divided into two classes. The first is aldehyde. If to one side of a carbonyl group, an R group or alkyl group is attached, and to other side, if there is a hydrogen atom is attached, then it is called as an aldehyde. If we look at the general formula, if we attach on the left side of the carbon as an alkyl group, so its general formula will be R, this carbonyl group carbon, oxygen, and to the right side if we attach an hydrogen atom, so it will be the general formula of an aldehyde. Let us look took some examples to more clarify it. So in R, if we attach R as an CH3 alkyl group, functional group, C double bond O and H. So if we go toward its naming, we can easily name it as the ending E of the parent alkane will be replaced by Al. So its name will be 1,2-ethanol. Its name will be ethanol. From ethane, Al. It will be replaced by ending E will Al, ethanol. And the next class of, now we will study about the second example or second class of carbonyl group, that is carbonyl group is ketone. So carbonyl group general formula is C double bond O and the two rest sides. If we attach on both sides an alkyl group, then it will be a ketone functional group. Let us take example. R will be replaced by a methyl group, CH3, C double bond O and CH3. How to name it? We simply count the carbon atom 1, 2 and 3. There are 3 carbon atoms, so its parent name will be propane. So how we will name an ketone? The ending E will be replaced by ONE1. So its name will be propanol. Another example we took is CH3, CH2, C double bond and CH 3. So we can name it 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 carbon atom parent is called as butane. So ending E will be replaced by ONE1. So its name will be butanone, butanone. Other functional group will be covered in next video. So keep watching my channel and don't forget to subscribe and like my channel to be continued. Thanks for watching.